ಹಲ್ದಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಲ್ದಿನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ವಿವಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಂಡಾ, ವಿ 3 ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ವಿವಾನ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್.
Just do like this, easy.
ಎಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ರೈತ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಂದ? ಯಾರಮ್ಮ ನೀನು?
Right.
ಫಾರ್ಮರ್. This is little farmer who is working very hard. Wait. That's what it. Oh, ant.
And then bugs.
See here. So this is what it is. Haldi, fresh haldi from the farm.
Very stuck here.
Wait. Allinda.
This is my mom. Kachara carpenter.
Kachada carpenter.
Are you doing carpenter here?
I am not carpenter.
Yeah, there one.
Yes.
You good work, ma'am. I'll check with the gunda. Okay. This gunda is working on the stick. But look at here. This gunda is working on a stick.
Okay, you check here. See. I'll show you.
Oh, this is the ginger. We got it so much.
That is not ginger. That is haldi, turmeric.
Turmeric.
What is that?
Turmeric.
Taking video. And gunda.
My mom is working hard with gunda.
And gunda is disturbing us. Oh my God!
What the hell was that?
Look at this. This is haldi. Gunda. Hey, Amma. This guy is disgusting. See here, everyone.
Yeah, can I dig? No?
You can wait. You will break everything. Later you can do it, okay? So there are so many. See here.
There's one.
Okay.
And look at here. No, this not. Look at this. Look at this haldi. Another one. Look at this. So many haldi.
Everyone, see. I'll show you.
What? What the hell?
Yeah, this is the biggest one. Yay!
Just throw it all out.
You're not supposed to throw. I'll show. Wow. Look at this. Is it good, Vivan?
Yes.
Yeah. My son is working so hard. So, this is turmeric.
Look at this bad boy.
Is it bad boy? He is bad boy.
Wait, I'll just smash it. Look at this. Beautiful.
Very nice, Kanda. ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತಾಕು. ಇವನು ನೋಡಲಿ, ಇವನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬಿಂಗ್. Yeah. Look at this. See, my Gunda is working so hard. He is also a farmer, little farmer. He is not little farmer. He is little spoiler. My brat.
That's a rat.
See how hardly working my Gundu. He thinks that I'm gonna take this. That's why he is protecting. Gundi boy. Love you, boy.
One thing is happening here. Mommy.
Goody boy.
Mom. It's happening here. There is something healthy inside.
Where?
Here.
Okay, you pull that.
Oh.
Hey, that is Parthenium.
I will give it. That is dry enough.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me dig
Nothing
this.
here anymore.
It's not there.
Look, see here, little. It's too hard here. because the part here.
It's here, buddy.
Where?
Okay, so let me dig here. You'll get more. Come.
Bunch of them.
Come here.
This is done already.
Come this side.
Grow a little more.
Come this side. Let's plant it later. Come.
Oh, this bad boy, why is here?
This guy is waiting and this guy is doing his work. And Mama is working hard. Take. Okay. See here. So first you have to clean this. Okay, Vivan?
I told you I have to clean it.
See, once you clean, see, it's here. This is the workout. What we do it here. Yes. See here.
That is the non-stop.
Here one more.
Boom.
That.
Yeah, I can see that.
You can see it, right?
Yeah.
Yay. So hard. Here as well.
Oh, the bunch of them in the middle.
Yes.
After in the middle, I'll take it up and I put it there.
Okay.
Put it here. Here is also there.
Here. Amma. So hard. Come.
See, my mom's work is done to it now. I lost the phone now. Because the ginger is cracking all the way.
That is not ginger, Vivan.
Oh, haldi.
That is turmeric.
You also we can say haldi.
Yeah.
Look, the mother is ready coming mud rain.
Day 2 going in the right way. Two brothers are working hard.
Hey!
This brother is going to disturb this one and they will start quarreling now.
Take out. You are there. Anyway. Up.
Zooming. This is how they work together. Look at this fella. As if like he's the only one who's working hard.
No, we are working hard.
But he Gunda thinks that only he is working. Dumasi. Dumso! Don't even look at us. Hey Gundo! Love you Gundo! I want to move this log. It's not happening.
Because there, that one.
Gunda is trying hard to break it.
Breaking it.
I know.
You got one? Yeah, he's
Aha. This is today's collection and Vivan is carrying. Very nice Pangari. Careful, okay? Hey, beats the.